The main idea with respect to cryptographic money that strikes a chord is that it isn't protected. The equivalent is trailed by it is awkward to make do. Envision these obstacles in government-issued types of money. Since fiat enjoys the benefit of being managed or administered, doesn't make them safe by the same token. There are imperfections and even issues on straightforwardness even on account of monetary forms, and in no way, shape, or form could one at any point vouch these fiat resources are protected. Before we dive into the Monero cost expectation, let us view a portion of the novel elements of Monero. The ABC of Monero. Consider money. Consider Monero. As a matter of fact, that is the proverb of Monero to guarantee the financial backers have a real sense of reassurance and execute safely with Monero at a lightning-quick speed. Circumstances are different today. Gone are the days you expected to convey a wallet loaded down with those fiat papers and minding them regularly so they don't get taken. Conveying computerized cash is way better compared to cash as it resolves the issue of capacity, convenience, solace, superfast, and bother-free exchanges. The mission of Monero depends on the essentials of private and oversight-safe exchanges, not at all like other digital forms of money viz. Bitcoin and Ethereum, which fill in as an open gathering wherein all cycles and exchanges can be followed, difficulties on privacy component included. The cryptography that powers Monero is the defensive cover, a safeguard that works with all exchanges, guarding total information private. Unpredictability, obviously, as conveyed consistently, has been the apple of conflict, yet that turns out as expected for any sort of cash wherein factors expressed here and above impact and affect the cost of a resource. Monero is no exemption by the same token. There are likewise experts associated with the examination of rates and the execution of exchanges on the web. The cryptographic money is very equipped for creating substantial pay, which draws in clients. The Monero people group has set higher benchmarks for itself in any case. Monero will outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple. Development of Monero cost, under the focal point. Similarly as with some other computerized money, Monero is the subject of totally various perspectives. Certain individuals like Monero, while others don't incline toward it much. It is viewed as perhaps of the most discussed advanced coin. Certain individuals think the undertaking misses the mark on approach plan and the disputable PR tricks of its pioneer. In any case, there are a great deal of other people who really put stock in Monero cost forecast. The ongoing cost of XMR is exchanging around $185.63 with a 0.45% climb throughout the course of recent hours. The market cap of Monero is $3,332,373,813.22 with 18,076,656 XMR coursing at present. Since its commencement, the token has been contending hard areas of strength for its adversary digital currencies. As of late, Monero cost had seen the most noteworthy heightening to $517.62 on May 7, 2021. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and the Monero value tumbled to $290. The ongoing all-time high is $517.62. The obstruction level is $185.08 and the help level is $176.13. The obstruction level could shift with the adjustment of future cost of Monero coins. After 2018, XMR cost stretched around $60. However, shockingly, pandemic appeared to meaningfully affect Monero. The presentation of Monero in the year 2019 was very unique in relation to that of 2018, following at $90.95.05. In actuality, it showed a through-and-through various development. In October 2020, it kept on having a vertical swing with Monero cryptographic money contacting a sticker cost of $100. Notwithstanding, going by the specialized investigation, Monero cost has shown colossal potential, reliably performing and recuperating the lost worth. The cost of XMR shows a significant recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy notwithstanding the unfriendly market patterns. Contending with partners like Heavenly and Ethereum, Monero digital money is positioned among the main 25 cryptographic forms of money. Being founded on a consistent calculation and Monero conjecture, Monero has both transient meeting as well as long-haul likely benefits. The cost might reach $392.99 end of 2022. Uniting patterns point towards the way that there is potential for Monero and show it might go on a higher opinion. It completely relies upon the contender's development and exchange. The quantity of existing Monero tokens are situated at $8.7 billion market cap. Each Monero cost worth $486. Monero, going by what it was in April 2021, sounds profoundly bullish as it has shown a dependable consistency. By the December 2022 end, it ought to effortlessly swing around $198.94. Monero value expectation 2022. According to the specialized examination in Monero conjecture, keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are cost expectations that the Monero coin cost is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022. Following the moving example of XMR, USD, particularly the way it is exchanging inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the hourly diagram, it is obvious that Monero XMR also will run parallelly on the equivalent bullish trend lines. However, it is too soon to anticipate whether the cost of XMR, USD will part from the pinnacle. What stays clear as per cost expectation for 2022 is that there is reason to have some hope without a doubt. Keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and bucks, the digital money costs just keep on showing a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $252 mark temporarily. In view of the cost expectation for 2022, the most extreme cost of Monero might reach to $280 in the year 2022. Monero value expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer cost patterns, Monero has been diverging from its way regularly every 2 or 3 years. So proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Monero cost for heightening, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of Monero by cost forecasts causing a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $340 once more. Nonetheless, this stays as a critical situation and a few specialists disagree with this condition. Monero value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Monero will control the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $410. This is comparable to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows that the cost of XMR can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances. In the principal, a portion of the cost will reach to $320, which will nearly be 2 times the ongoing cost. Monero value forecast 2025, as indicated by specialized investigation in Monero cost forecasts. This year could check as the benchmark year, as the Monero cost is anticipated to outperform $360 definitely, primarily on the grounds that this year no urgent elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be on street to fix work in every single world economy. With mass reception, the XMR cost is assessed to stretch around $500 by 2025 in the following 3 years, an ascent more than ever. Monero value expectation 2026. Last year was a distinct advantage for Monero, yet for the vast majority of the monetary standards, including digital currencies along with fiat, world economies somersaulted definitely considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Monero cost. Nonetheless, the last year brought a great deal of really great for Monero. XMR cost kept its force on the up and up. In light of XMR cost expectation, in 2026, we could see the Monero cost floating around the $500 mark. It isn't not exactly extraordinary information.